Want to know how to convert the code into a generic method? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply ask C# that you can convert the code into a generic method in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Cursor AI application. So once you've opened it up, you should be under this interface right here. So we have also created similar videos regarding Cursor AI, so make sure to watch it. So right here, I have the C# code with me. So since we are converting, just simply select Ctrl+A to select the entire code and then select quick edit right here. So now once you have selected quick edit, here you can just simply edit the selected code. So what you can do is just simply type in this. So once that is done, just simply select enter and it should rewrite and convert your code into a generic one. So as you can see right here, so you can just simply select keep in order to keep your code and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.